here are the three attachments. We have a MOLLE, we have the Velcro, and we have the suction cups. So you can choose from any of those. Hey everyone, another new product from overlandgearguy.com. This is a glove pouch, so a glove dispenser pouch there, or wet wipes, dude wipes, things like that. Got Velcro on the front for your morale patches, stuff like that. Got three ways to attach it: Velcro, MOLLE, and suction cups. And yeah, it's just a slick little convenient way to always have whether your gloves or your wipes handy and ready to use at any point in time. And it does have a magnetic closure on it. So right there is a nice heavy duty magnet. So you can get in like that, and then put it in just like that. So this piece right here is the MOLLE Velcro adapter piece. So if you had the MOLLE system, you could just put this piece on there and then just pull off the pouch at will. Works out really slick.